Just at Aldi in Stockport, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Well, this Aldi yet again with tons of main lines all over the tills. And at a price of £1.49, that is one of the best prices for Hot Wheels in the UK. £1 Hot Wheels is the dream, but we will take £1.49. Right, well, I have had a little scan over some of these boxes and they just look like they've been absolutely obliterated. But I did spy this one box here that seems to be completely fresh, untouched, and we're going to go through this one, guys. So let's get started. First up, we've got the Porsche 911 Carrera T, which is a brand new Porsche casting for 2026, and it's from that factory fresh set. Yeah, very cool casting, and I do like my Porsches as well, especially when they've got so much detailing. And it's got that Porsche badge on the front side of this thing as well. Yeah, very cool, very fresh. I'll be taking this one. Let's see what else they've got. We've got one that can be found as a super treasure hunt. This one isn't. It's the Ford RS200 in this awesome Golf livery. Yeah, the super treasure hunt would have Spectraflame paint, a TH logo on the car, rubber tyres, and a golden stamp on the back of the card right there. This one is just your regular mainline, but still a really cool car, really cool casting. And I love my Golf livery ones. I have been making a bit of a collection of Golf livery cars. This is from that Peak Pursuit set of 2025, and it's the last super treasure hunt you can find of the year as well. So yeah, definitely one on a lot of collectors' lists, this one. And I do love a Ford rally car. But yeah, awesome casting. I do have this already, so I'll just pop this to one side. Let's keep going. Very cool Bentley Continental. I think the paint on this is fantastic. It's like a gold metal flake paint. I do like that. And there's some other cars that you can find with this on it. I believe there was a Civic that you could find that became a Super, and the Bumblebee VW Beetle from last year had this paint on it as well. Definitely one of my favorite colors on Hot Wheels cars, but I've seen this one before, so I'll leave this here. Let's keep going. No way, it's the second colour variant of the Ferrari F40 Competizione. It's a beautiful, bright Ferrari yellow on this. I know so many collectors are after these F40s and they're completely eluding them. And I'm very happy to find this one because I am collecting all of the Ferraris. That is my challenge, to grab every Ferrari that comes out, because it's been 10 years since Hot Wheels had the license to do Ferrari. And I think it's something special to be grabbing these first ones after that amount of time. This is from that exotic set of 2025, and it is a brand new casting. Yeah, very good tooling and details on the front and on the back as well. Love that spoiler. Now, with castings that you want to keep on the card and keep them pristine, you're going to want to use some car protectors. I recommend using Class UK. Let me tell you why, guys. When you find a car that you really like and you want to keep it on the card in pristine condition, I would advise using Class UK car protectors. They're really easy to use. They open up like a clamshell, just like this. You pop the car inside, and there you go. Complete protection for your collection. I use them on all of my favourite cars so I don't get them damaged. Lee, who's the owner of Class UK, is actually a big Hot Wheels collector himself, and you can tell that he really does care about the product that he's designing. You see this lip here? Well, you won't find that on other car protectors. And what it does is it elevates the bubble so it doesn't get any scratches on the display, keeping the protector looking nice and clear. This is the short car protector, but Class also do long car protectors, premium car protectors, and if you go to the website, they've got ones for character cars, a full 5 set of premiums, and the first ever premium F1 protectors, which are brand new this year. You can use this code to get 10% off your first order over £30. Thanks to Class UK for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it. Such a good car, awesome casting, definitely taking this one. Let's keep going. We've got the Audi 90 Quattro in its black colourway, and Hot Wheels always do Audis justice with a lot of detailing on the cars. I do have the white variant of this, which I think is probably the best one, to be honest. I do like black cars, but the white version's just the original for me, so yeah, I'm going to leave this one here. Let's keep looking. It's the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. It's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it, guys? But yeah, got to love a Lamborghini. Nice big diffuser on the back there, and it does say Lamborghini where a license plate would be. This one's from that exotic cars set of 2026. Very cool car. Is yellow the theme for today? I think it might be. I'll be taking that. Let's keep looking. McMurty Sperling, which is an absolute crazy car. If you don't know anything about this car, go on YouTube right after this video, type in the McMurty Sperling, and yeah, enjoy the Top Gear special on it. Because it's an absolute mad car, this, with stupid specs, one of the fastest electric cars out there, and it's a single seater as well. Brand new for 2025, but yeah, I've got this one, so let's keep going. Right, well, maybe not one on a lot of collectors' lists, especially people who are after licensed stuff, but this is the Barbie Dream Camper, and it's from that brand new Mattel set, which is 5 castings specifically made by Mattel. And I think they might all be fantasy, to be honest, but I do like collecting stuff that have stamps on them like this. I think it does make them very collectible. Plus a Mattel set, you've got to collect it all, so I'll definitely be taking this very cool, interesting camper van. Let's keep looking. Wow, another Ferrari, and it's another yellow Ferrari. It's the 365 GT B4 Competizione, which is Ferrari's touring car from the 70s, and it is in the same livery as that one from the 70s as well. I think it ran 24 hours of Daytona, and just like all the other Ferraris, this is a brand new casting for 2025 from that race day set. A really good set filled with 10 cars. I've collected all of them, I believe now. I'll tick them all off and let you know which ones I've collected, but yeah, like I said before, I'm collecting all the Ferraris, so I'll definitely be taking this. And it looks like we're just getting yellow, 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 and another F40. I'll take this one to open. Now, I've not talked about taking dupes for a long time, so I'm going to talk to you guys about it right now. My stance on taking duplicate castings is this. I am of the philosophy of one to display, one to open, and maybe a couple to trade, because I'm definitely going to be meeting you guys at one of these toy fair events or car events, so I wouldn't mind actually taking a few of these and, you know, trading them for some of the stuff that I didn't get. Now, that said, if you're taking 10 of the same castings just to sell them at a marked up price on eBay, then 100% you're scalping. But for me, it's each to their own. If you want to have 10 of the same castings and they're all going to be part of your collection, then go for it. But yeah, I'll be taking this second one to open up. Let's keep going. Got a nice 2018 Honda Civic Type R there from that Night Speed set of 2026. That's a cool one. I do like it in white. Diora 2. Here we've got the Pass and Go, which is actually a Monopoly Hot Wheels collaboration for 90 years of Monopoly. It's the car piece from the board game, and yes, they've been doing the board game now for 90 years. This is a brand new casting for 2026. It's the first time that we've seen this car, and it's actually got a metal base. Look at that. Metal base, metal body, plastic interior, and it's from that drop top set, which is a set filled with like convertible cars. Yeah, really, really cool casting. I did find this already, but I want to take one to open, so I'll take this one. Let's keep looking. Another yellow Ferrari that I'm actually going to be leaving here because I do have a couple of these already, so if you want it, come and grab it. We've also got the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, another one from that Night Speed set of 2026. I think that's like a set filled with street racer cars, so this is supposed to be Hot Wheels' take on a Mustang street racer. I think it's pretty cool. It's got some great decals on the side there. You've got Brembo, Michelin, loads of different brands, and you've got that Cobra badge right near the wheel arch there, and some pinstriped flames as well. But yeah, I'm going to be grabbing that full Night Speed set, so I'll definitely be taking this one. Let's keep going. We've got a regular drift ender, which is not the super treasure hunt. It can be found as a super treasure hunt, but this one isn't. It's from that Trucking Along set of 2026, and it's a really cool casting that's supposed to be a drifting Land Rover. I'd love to see that in person, going around the racetrack drifting, so yeah, cool concept. And this is the first super treasure hunt of 2026. I think we've had 5 revealed now, maybe 6, and I know a lot of collectors will be after the black F40 Ferrari. That's going to be the super to get this year, I bet. But yeah, awesome casting. Seen this one before, got it already. What else have we got? We've got a few castings left now. We've got a Maserati Chamel in blue. We've got the black McLaren W1. And last but not least, we've got the treasure hunt of a case. It's the Buick Regal GNX in that purple with pink interior. And you can see it has the treasure hunt symbol on the back there, that silver flame logo. Another one from that Night Speed set, but I do have this one already. I found it in Home Bargains, so I'm going to leave this one here for somebody else. Right, well, we've been through that whole box. I'm going to tidy everything away and let's have a look and see what we found, guys. Well, we found some absolutely awesome castings in this Aldi. Is there anything I've left behind that you guys would have taken? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.